everyone, welcome back to S2LEARN. So few days back I had kept a community poll in my channel where most of them demanded for the tricks video. So I am back with the simple tricks, that is when to use article a and the. So please stay tuned till the end to understand each and every trick with the example. So let's start. So the first trick is we use article a before the word beginning with consonant sound. So see here the example, I speak a little Spanish, she is a nice girl. Here NL is all are consonants. So in that case we use article a. Next is a word which is a singular countable noun. So crocodile, book are the singular countable nouns. So before that we use the article a. So when we will use article an? When a word is beginning with the vowel sound. See here, I would like to eat an apple pie. She is an amazing singer. Okay, in that case we use an. Then there is an exception. Sometimes a word begins with a vowel but the starting sound is of consonant. See here, this is a universal method. So in that case we don't use an, we use a. She went to a university. I saw a one-legged man. Okay. Next, if the words begin with the letter H but the sound of H is silent while pronouncing, so instead of a we will be using an. See here, the movie will begin in an hour. Sam is an honest man. Okay. Now we use article the before. Now when we will be using the article the? While describing someone or something specific. The names of river, gulf, seas, okay. The names of certain well-known books and newspapers. An adjective and superlative degree. Countries whose name includes word like kingdom, states or republic. So you can pause the video and go through each of these tricks. So examples are the Nile is the longest river in the world. Then look at the sun. The blueberry is very sweet and juicy. Okay. So thank you for watching. I've also listed some products in my description box. Okay. You can go and buy. It's worth purchasing. And you can follow my Facebook page S2Learn, whose link is given in my description. I'll meet you in my next video. Till then, bye.